making my way up to Newton Falls finally. Been on call all day for work. I'm actually on call all weekend, but I'm taking the risk to come up to camp and potentially and hopefully go riding without any disturbances. I was just going to stay home and stick on call, but it'd be one of those things, I stay home and don't even get called, and then I'd be all pissed off because I could have gone riding. But we'll see what happens. Hopefully I don't get called. If I do, then so be it. You know, at least I made the efforts to get up here and still get to see my friends. I've got two different groups of friends that are up here this weekend. My friends from home, and then I've got friends from AULTimate Outdoors, who I've been doing a lot of riding with starting since last year. Which, little backstory on that, a lot of people ask me and like to throw out there that it's cool that I ride with those guys, but I've been watching Rich's videos for years, which really got me into doing the kind of riding that I do now, and not even realizing that he literally lived 30 minutes away from me. So ended up getting some conversations back and forth on YouTube and whatnot, and then next thing you know it, I meet him on a ride that was close to home on the Indian River ATV trails. And then on 4th of July weekend last year, I ended up doing a ride up at a camp. Jigs Jones has his camp up there with his wife Jess, and from there it went to going on a ride with him to North Augusta, to
in
doing
half a mile,
another ride. Turn
right onto County Route 24.
Man, she likes to disturb me when I'm trying to talk. Typical woman. Just kidding, girls. Anyway, North Augusta led to doing the ride at Tall Pines, and then from there led to the discussion of the rides for 2018. And as you see on here, we did a few rides over the winter time. We did a ride on the lake when it was frozen over, and that kind of started the season off right into
turn right onto County Route 24.
Woman, dang it, I'm trying to talk. Anyway, so it sounds like shit bouncing around in my trailer. So
in 3.9 miles, God, turn left onto Maple Avenue.
She's killing me. So did Cert Run, and then we did got Cert Run, Indian River Run, and then we did the two back-to-back runs. We did the Lingham Lake with ATV, NOS ATVs, and XM Army, a little ride that they put on, which you see the videos on here. They're starting to pop up now. Then we went up to Log Chateau and did a ride there with Dave Temp. Got that started up with Rich. And that leads us up to this weekend, and then after that, the big trip, which I won't be going on the full extent of the big trip, but everybody's going to be down in Kentucky, Virginia, and then I'll be going down on late on the 4th of July down to West Virginia, and we're going to do the Hatfield McCoy trails, so it should be fun. But anyways, we'll end this here, and I'll get some video of the best part of the ride, which will be coming up here probably the next 15 minutes. Thanks for watching. The best part of the whole trip, the beach. Alright, so should be getting up to camp here shortly. I'm going to drop off everything up to camp with AULTimate Outdoors. I'm going to take off and go see some of my friends up at their camp. And really looking forward to this ride tomorrow. Should be a good time. Hopefully we got some good mud holes to play in. If not, whatever. It's all about
the destination is on your left.
God damn it!
Arrived.
I know where I am. Anyway, so back to it. Should be at camp here soon and have some fun. Easy on it. Easy. Trim my cord. Look at that. Never gets old. Mason, what do you want to say to the ladies?
I don't know.
How single are you?
Very single.
You're very single, and you're even growing a mustache. God damn it, Mason, you're getting old.
He prefers older women.
You prefer older women? You like sugar mamas then? That's what you got to go for.
Cougar.
Go for a cougar sugar mama. She makes more money than you. Go for it. Anything you want to say to the ladies? You sure?
No, this is going on his page.
Oh, this is definitely going on. You get the ones that make more money than you. Yeah, you got to go for the ones that make more money than you.
I'm 15 yet.
But the bitch can't cook.
So,
Yeah, you got to be careful.
you don't want to end up hurting.
Do laundry,
Yeah.
dishes.
You got to keep it quiet. Just keep it quiet. Nobody knows.
I just tell everyone I have a 14-inch hammer. None of them believe me, but that's what I tell them.
Jesus Christ. I may as well just zoom in on that.
Hey.
Don't pick on Eddie.
Don't pick on Eddie.
Eddie's got cobwebs. Holy fuck.
That's not a cobweb.
That's his price tag.
That's his price tag.
That was a cobweb. Fuck. It's dusty too. Jesus. Look at the dust coming off. You tap them, they're fucking dusty.
Been on a couple rides, huh?
Somebody, probably a Polaris owner, stole his screwdriver. See, he got his wrench. His wrench is ready to fall off.
Better sew it.
Arctic Cat Eddie. Yeah, you missed his name.
You guys got him started because I was thinking
He likes to ride on a Can-Am.
Wait, his name's right there.
Say Arctic Cat Eddie on there?
Yeah.
Arctic Cat.
Riding on the Can-Am?
He likes to ride on Can-Ams.
When you were 8 and you had bad treats. So why are you acting like a bloody fool? Then you must get cool. Bad boys, man.
that a Can-Am, bro? Stuff. So last year we came through here and it was pretty fun. And now Hobby's gotten the CSC sledgehammer. Anybody that's wondering about those tires, you can take a look at those there. Pretty bad tires. Great tires for trail riding, great tires for mud. They're just a good all-around radial. Though they are a little sloppy when it comes to loose stuff. You gotta hang on to her. So as I compare this to the ride we just did up in Canada, not just did, but the ride that we did, I don't know, 3-4 weeks ago, I can't remember now.